Today on Loki Lights, we have a visitor. This is another Canadian company, and they're making one of the newest power distribution systems on the market. It's the RAT PSM. What has a lifetime warranty, is made in Canada, is actually waterproof and dustproof, and can power all the toys you want to throw on your rig. Well, it's the RAT 10 by RAT PSM. This is one of the newest power distribution systems we've seen hit the market, and we love them all. We love working with them. When it boils down to it, we're all driving rigs that get wet, so you want your electronics to be waterproof. So, let's take a close-up look at this. We're going to take a look at Zena's wiring and see how much wires this thing really cuts down. As an installer, when somebody comes into the shop and they have any power distribution system, you're looking at a half an hour install versus an hour and a half. You're looking at me going, are you sure you want to pay me to do this? And it's just, they're beautiful systems. So come on in nice and close. Let's take a look at this guy. Okay, so other than making it ridiculously easy to wire, one of the main things that I personally love about these kind of systems is that it cuts down on all the spaghetti. I mean, I did pull this out to show you guys. I don't usually run around like this. It's not much better. All right, so we've had a look at what makes it work, but now we need to turn these lights on. One of the things that I like about this system is you have the choice of your mounting system. You can either have the suction cup, or you can get your drill out and mount it somewhere, which is my style generally. All right, the switch panel. Now this one is using the badass suction cup. We took a good look at that one, and it's very similar to the action cameras that you'll see. And, well, I don't know if you know, but we take our action cams to some terrible places. Here is the bolt-on mount. These are Panavice mounts, which are phenomenal, and just opens up where you can mount that. Now, of course, this puppy can do more than just your lights. Like, here if I make this one. Woo! The compressor, love it. Nice thing about these switch panels is that you're only running one wire, the communication wire. That's the only one that has to come through your firewall. So that is a really nice thing. When you only have to run that one communication cable, you're not running all these switches and all these wires through the firewall and making a hole this big by the time you're done. A little bit of friendly competition here. I'm gonna hook up a light to the RAT 10. Candace is gonna use a standard harness, and we're gonna see who's done first. Are you ready?
Me.
Okay, go! I'm just gonna give her a bit of a head start.
Hey, don't be rude.
How you doing over there?
I am just ready to start. I just need to put it together.
All right, that is the RAT PSM. You can check these guys out online at ratpsm.com. I'll put the link right here. No, right here. Right here. Ha! There you go. Click on that sucker. Check them out. You know, we're loving this system. This is my first real hands-on. But the thing that I'm loving about it, actually waterproof, dustproof, 10 circuits, lifetime warranty, made in Canada. I'm running out of fingers here. You know, the mounting, you can have the suction cup, you can drill it to where you want it. The customization, it's the way of the future. A couple years ago, we stopped including harnesses with our lights and we made it an extra feature. It's because of products like this. They are just replacing the need for a harness. So check them out and stay tuned because we're gonna be looking at these things again. Hit that like button, subscribe, follow, share with a friend, tag someone. We'll see you next time.